Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable Ask Where to save each file before downloading in Opera GX browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. In case you want to get a prompt before downloading any file from the internet in Opera GX browser, to change this setting, first open Opera GX browser on your Windows PC, then click on this one menu icon in the top left corner and select settings in the drop down menu. Under Opera GX settings, select this one privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down to the bottom and click on this one advanced option. Again, scroll down to the bottom to find the downloads section. Here you will find this one option, ask where to save each file before downloading. Just turn on this one toggle switch.